In this video, I'll show you how to send video messages on WhatsApp. So instead of sending audio messages, you can now send video messages on WhatsApp, and I'll show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the person who you want to send the video message to. Now once you're here, you want to find the camera icon, which is here at the bottom right. Now to create a video message, go ahead and long press on the camera icon until you get this. You'll get the counter. And now you can go ahead and record your video message. You can go ahead and slide up so that it keeps recording and you don't need to press the video message button. Now the maximum duration of this video recording is 1 minute. So you can go ahead and record for 1 minute. Then you can play back and watch your video. If you're happy with it, go ahead and send it. If you're not, you can go ahead and press the trash and delete it. So we'll go ahead and send this. And now this will be sent to the other person who you're talking to. So there you go. That is how to send a video message on WhatsApp. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.